I believe in supporting local businesses. I think that I get good service from local businesses, and by putting my money back into my own community, I'm supporting it the best way that I can. So for me, it was logical to choose somebody local that is available when I need them. They've always provided me with the service when I need it, and have answered my many questions when I needed it, so I thought that was a really positive way. I've had very, very good service from the installers when they came, and from the office as well. And we get regular services every year, so I know that it is somebody local that's doing that. It's certainly been stress-free. As I said, I get a service once a year that is fantastic. You know, they come in, clean everything, sort it all out, check it all over, and it's gone. The fact that I can log into a system and we can monitor the system, and simply, you know, the friendly, approachable manner that I've experienced with them is being able to phone and ask when I wasn't sure about something, and getting a really clear answer, I thought was a very positive part of the experience. I think the most important thing when you're looking to go off grid is to do your research, talk to the experts, talk to everybody in town that has a system, or out of town, because it's the experience of having a system yourself that can give you the most advice for other people, so gain from their experience.